Italy, with its rich history, stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and beautiful landscapes, is a dream destination for many travelers. If you're planning a visit to Italy, you'll likely need a visitor's visa, especially if you're not from a visa-exempt country. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Italy visitor's visa, from the application process to visa requirements and tips for a successful application. Italy, a member of the Schengen area, allows visitors to explore its wonders with a short-term visa known as the Schengen visa. This visa allows tourists to visit Italy and other Schengen countries for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Whether you're planning to explore the historic sites of Rome, indulge in the art of Florence, or relax on the picturesque Amalfi Coast, a Schengen visa is your key to experiencing Italy's beauty. Types of Italy visitor's visa. There are several types of Schengen visas for Italy, depending on the purpose of your visit. The most common types include tourist visa, for travelers visiting Italy for leisure, sightseeing, or visiting family and friends; business visa, for individuals traveling to Italy for business meetings, conferences, or trade fairs; medical visa, for those seeking medical treatment in Italy; cultural or sports visa, for participants in cultural or sports events in Italy. Travelers from certain countries are exempt from needing a visa to enter Italy for short stays. However, if you are from a non-exempt country, you will need to apply for a Schengen visa before your trip. It's important to check the visa requirements for your specific nationality before planning your trip. The application process for an Italy visitor's visa involves several steps, including completing the visa application form. You can download the form from the website of the Italian consulate or embassy in your country. Gathering required documents. This includes your passport, passport-sized photos, travel itinerary, proof of accommodation, travel insurance, and financial means. Booking a visa appointment. You'll need to schedule an appointment at the Italian consulate or embassy in your country. Attending the visa interview. During the interview, you may be asked questions about your travel plans, financial situation, and the purpose of your visit. Waiting for the visa decision. The processing time for a Schengen visa is usually around 15 days, but it can vary depending on the consulate and the time of year. To apply for a Schengen visa for Italy, you'll need to meet certain requirements, including a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages, completed visa application form, passport-sized photos, travel itinerary, proof of accommodation in Italy, travel insurance covering at least €30,000, proof of sufficient funds for your stay in Italy, visa fee payment receipt. To increase your chances of a successful visa application, consider the following tips. Apply well in advance of your planned travel date. Ensure all required documents are complete and accurate. Provide a detailed travel itinerary. Demonstrate strong ties to your home country, such as a job, family, or property ownership. Be prepared for the visa interview and answer questions confidently. The visa fee for a Schengen visa is €80 for adults and €40 for children aged 6-12. The processing time for a Schengen visa is usually around 15 days, but it can vary depending on the consulate and the time of year. It's advisable to apply for your visa well in advance of your planned travel date to allow for any delays in processing. Obtaining a visitor's visa for Italy is the first step towards exploring the beauty and culture of this fascinating country. By following the application process, meeting the requirements, and preparing your documents carefully, you can increase your chances of a successful visa application. Once you have your visa in hand, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through Italy's iconic cities, charming villages, and breathtaking landscapes.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.